Hi guys, welcome to the Career Development Lab. I am building a project where I'm getting the issue whenever I'm submitting my file on the server side. I'm getting issue path. I'm getting a path issue. I'm just showing you in a minute. Here, this one is the issue path cannot be empty. And by the way, I was working on the first time, so I actually know about that. I don't know about that. What's the error? But this is my second time, so I know that why this error is happening with me, right? So that's why I wanted to share it with you. If you will set this on the Stack Overflow, right, and then there are pretty popular question where it's telling that you can change your temp permission or you can add this path into your ini file, right? But this wouldn't work. So if you are using a local server, right, you are using XAMPP or Laravel, so you need to do this within your ini file and set the XAMPP or Laravel path, not the this operating system path. So how to do this? So just to go to your any of the command line tool. At that time I'm using the I'm going to use Windows itself CMD, right? So I'm going to use CMD, and here I'm going to open PHP ini file. You can open something like this, so it will open your currently used CLI version. So here I'm going to set this tempo, not TMPL, it should be only temp. Find this. No, oh, sorry, I'm going to find this uploaded some. Oh my god, why it's not? Still, it's not able to search this out. Let me search this. It's an upload tab. Yeah, it's fine. Why it's not searching? That's a Windows biggest problem. I'm searching it from here down. So now go to this down, down, down. Here you can search this upload directory, upload temp directory. So I'm going to specify, I'm going to first uncomment this out and then specify my Laravel temp directory path. So if I go here and just open my Laravel path, if you install this in your C drive, you can copy it from there, but I install this in the D drive. So I'm going to specify the path from there. In the Laravel, there's a temp directory, right? So you need to open this out and then copy the path from the top and just go here into your ini file and paste this stuff here. Give it a save, and remember, make sure to restart your server. Otherwise, these changes wouldn't work. They are running the existing changes, right? I'm going to now restart it, and then I'm going to test this out. Now I'm going to click on this continue, so this will work. Continue, and you can see this that this one is now submitting this file perfectly. I'm going to going back and then showing you again one more time. Click on this submit, and yes, I'm able to successfully submit this file on the server. So basically this one is issue about the operating system, not the Laravel stuff. So that's why I wanted to share it with you, because it's confusing that it's not mentioning that it's throwing from the Laravel or from the environment setup. So if you like the video, subscribe this channel and stay tuned for the more videos.